everyone.
Hi. Welcome back, or welcome to the channel. I'm Perry.
And I'm Aroa.
And Aroa,
Yeah.
Tell us what we're going to be learning about today.
So today Perry is going to tell us all about the scroll tool, actually. How to scroll vertically, horizontally, and how to actually use it. So
Cool.
yeah, see you.
All right, we're back in Framer again, and I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the scroll tool. So in Framer, we like to design for the actual intended device dimension. So in this case, I'm designing for an Apple MacBook Air. So I want to keep all of the content within those defined dimensions. So in order to make this content fit, I want to make it scrollable. So to do that, I'm going to go to this Tools panel and click Scroll, and then draw out a scrollable area in this Apple MacBook Air frame. I'm intentionally leaving out this nav bar because I want it to remain sticky to the top of the screen whenever I preview it. So next, I'm just going to connect this to scrollable content, and you'll see I now have this reflected in my device frame. So now I'm going to preview this, and you can see I can now scroll. I'm scrolling with 2 fingers now, but I can also click and drag so that you'll see this little bounce at the bottom, so that kind of mimics physics engine of how a scroll would appear in a mobile device. The scroll tool has a few properties, so we can change the direction, we can change how the access is locked, and we can also select the actual content from the properties panel. Alright, that's the scroll tool.